In this Vocalic review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to create videos and voiceovers in any niche and any language in just 5 minutes. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a special bundle discount on the entire sales funnel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Vocalic or the bundle discount, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Okay, last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra quality bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says create profit-pulling videos with voiceovers in just 60 seconds without being in front of a camera, speaking a single word, or hiring anyone ever. Create and sell videos and voiceovers in any language for big profits to dentists, gyms, spas, cafes, retail stores, bookshops, affiliate marketers, coaches, and more. So essentially, this is a software that will let you do these different voiceovers using the software. You don't have to actually speak any words yourself. It says here you can create stunning videos in any niche, create and publish YouTube shorts, make passive affiliate income doing review videos. So if you want to do videos like I am right now, but you don't want to be on camera or you don't want to talk, well, you could use the software to do that for you. Real human-like voices, convert any text script into a whiteboard and explain your video, create videos using just a keyword with ready-to-use stock images, so that's pretty cool. Add background images in, built-in content spinner, store your videos and voiceovers, commercial licenses included. So if you want to sell these, you can do that as well, and they have free training to find clients. So they say log in and choose, so you log into the dashboard and you choose which kind of video you want to create here. Then you have an option to create videos or create a voiceover or a podcast. Then you download and you publish, and it says profit. Of course, it's going to depend upon what you're doing as far as profiting is going. Now, they do have a coupon code here, so make sure that you use that. Of course, depending upon when you come to the sales page, this might be different, so just make sure you check that out. I make less as an affiliate by putting that out to you, so please like this video. It really helps out with my channel, and I appreciate it. Thank you. As we move on here, you can see they've got some proof of people making money with like selling videos and stuff here. But I mean, we know that. We know you can make money selling videos. It says, I will be your video editor and creator for any kind of professional project starting at $1,000. Like there's people that are making good money. I will record a pro American male voiceover. This guy charges $250 for that. This person charges $500 for a female voiceover. Now, as far as like using this for professional voiceover work, I'm not sure that like if someone is expecting a real person and then you give them an auto-created voice, they might not be happy with that. So you might want to make it clear that it's not a real person if you do something like this. Just be aware of that. Now they do have a bunch of different samples so you can actually hear what this sounds like on the sales page. And I recommend that when you click over to the sales page, and I'll have that link below, that you actually listen to some of these so you know what they sound like. I'm not going to play them right now because I don't know how they're going to come out over my speakers. It's going to come out through my computer and into the microphone. So I'll let you go over and do that. Now they have some testimonials here about people getting results, etc., etc. But you shouldn't really necessarily put too much faith in those. You should always, if you're going to purchase any of these things, purchase it because you like what the tool does, not because of what other people necessarily have done. It's nice to get kind of a little bit of an inspiration, but just like don't think that you're going to get those results just because they have. Now, if we go down here, I'm gonna skip. Oh, here we go. Some little more things that will show you. Like there's an easy to use video creator, create whiteboard videos. This whole thing where you can create videos with a keyword. That's pretty cool. Use images from your device. Super easy video creator. Select from multiple video quality here, so you can have different quality video here with this, and all kinds of different features with this. So if we go down here, they've got a comparison to other major softwares that are similar to this on the market. You can check that out, and they've got some bonuses. But if you decide to purchase, they've got the personal, which is up to 100 videos a month, and the commercial, which is unlimited videos a month. And this one right here is the commercial, and this is the personal. It's only like, what, a few dollars more for the commercial, so most people will get that. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm gonna come back and show you the backend area and the OTOs and the bundle discount.
Wait until you hear this amazing fact. Did you know that a whopping 42% of small businesses and 33% of Fortune 500 companies are already turning to freelance marketplaces to outsource their voiceover and video creation tasks. And freelancers are charging between $500 and $1,000 for just creating 5 minutes worth of video or voiceover work. See how much Aaron is charging on Fiverr for creating a simple 1-minute voiceover for his clients? And he has made $10K in the last 30 days. And Patey is charging $500 for 5 minutes of voiceover work and made $23K in the last 34 days. So there is huge business opportunity here. How would you feel if I told you that you too could create professional videos and voiceovers in any niche or language and charge $500 to $1,000 for simply 5 minutes worth of work again and again? Interested? Hi, on behalf of Dr. Amit Parikh, Achal Goswami, and Atul Parikh, we have an incredible solution for you to get in on all this. Together, they have happily sold over 9 million in digital products and have 18 plus years of online business experience using the power of videos. Not only have we made millions of dollars for ourselves, but more importantly, we have also helped thousands of people get their desired profitable business online right from the comfort of their own homes. And while we don't say this to brag, we do want to make one thing perfectly clear. For becoming successful online, nothing beats the power of using videos with professional voiceover work to get customers hooked. No matter what business you are in, selling courses, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, video marketing, YouTubing, podcaster, agency or freelancer, local business, everyone needs videos with professional voiceovers. By the end of 2022, 80% of internet traffic will be videos and podcasts. While it's powerful, creating voiceovers for your videos are expensive and a very time-consuming task. Just for starters, it could easily cost anywhere between $100 and $450 just for a single minute, as you just saw. Even we have paid huge amounts each month for getting professional voiceover work for our videos. And if you decide to do it on your own, you need to purchase expensive equipment, record your own voice, learn to use the right inflections, etc. All just to get good content. So if you're looking for a small 4 to 5 minute video with voiceover, be ready to spend as much as a whopping $2,500 from your wallet. It's a bummer, right? We know exactly how you feel. Even though we were succeeding with it, we couldn't deny that it was frustrating trying to outsource and doing it ourselves. So we decided to fix that problem and create our own. After years of learning and planning and coding and debugging, and after real user testing with thousands of real users, we're pleased to announce we have created that very solution, and we'd like to share it with you today. Presenting Vocalic, futuristic artificial intelligence technology. Create profit-pulling voiceovers and videos in any language and niche in just 5 minutes. Even we have created a voiceover for our demo video using Vocalic. So let's have a closer look and observe Vocalic in action.
It has never been easier to create profit-making professional videos with high-quality voiceover. It was always an expensive and time-consuming task, but with Vocalic, it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, just copy and paste your text. To begin with, enter the text for the voiceover as per your required video or podcast, and it will create amazing voiceovers for you and your clients. Step 2, enter keyword. Now, enter keyword for the stock images or upload your own images to create videos. Step 3, create and profit. Create your professional video with voiceover in the next few minutes and profit from uploading to your video channels and aim drive tons of traffic. Publish podcast, drive more engagement, leads or sales, or sell voiceover or video creation services to local client. No writing, no audio recording, or other techie stuff needed. It is easy, fast, and built with love. With Vocalic, you can do much more. First, you can create professional videos with human-sounding voiceover, like promotional videos, sales videos, training videos, product reviews, etc. Create high-quality, explanatory whiteboard videos by just adding your text and customizing font, color, and alignment. These videos are highly effective. For marketing and presentation purposes, get artificial intelligence-based text-to-speech converter with total 75 human and artificial intelligence voices, both for male and female. That gets ready your 5-minute voiceover in just straight 5 seconds. Creating voiceover in multiple languages is very easy with Vocalic, as you can create voiceover in 30+ most spoken languages from all over the world. You can also customize the speed of voiceover with an inbuilt controller. Give stress where needed, run through where needed, not just videos. Vocalic helps to create your own podcast by using the artificial intelligence-based voiceover and 50+ preloaded, super engaging background music clips. You can create marketing videos like a pro. All you need to do is enter the keyword, and our software will showcase tons of stock images to add to the video. You can also use the inbuilt video editor with 15+ video animation effects. Also, set the video resolution as per your requirement and audience. You can also set the image's order and display time per image in the video. You can easily download, play and delete the video or voiceover whenever you want. Build your authority and the audience by showing brand name as the watermark in the video. This way you can use your videos for commercial purposes as well. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-the-art solution, and I am sure that you will love it. Lastly, you do not need to spend a single dollar on expensive subscriptions or hire any freelancer for the voiceover or video creation purpose. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast, cloud-based platform. And in case you ever get stuck, we will always be here for you with our customer support. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.
Now, I'm sure you agree to the fact that Vocalic creates high-quality videos with voiceovers in just a few clicks, with zero headaches and zero investment. You don't need to spare a thought for paying third parties for creating professional videos without needing to face the camera, without needing to write a single word, once and for all. So what are you waiting for? Vocalic is available for a one-time price only, without any limitations, but just for this special charter launch. And after this introductory phase, it's going to get back to its rightly monthly price. And if you act right now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. This will also give you a massive opportunity to make additional or full-time income each month. Go for this one-time only investment that's fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, and grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. Now the clock is ticking here, so click on the button below and get instant access to Vocalic for this one-time low price before it turns to monthly recurring. Lastly, we'd all like to congratulate you in advance for taking action right now to build your successful business for years to come. The Vocalic team is waiting to assist you and welcomes you inside your exclusive members area.
Okay, so after you purchase, you'll have access to this back-end area here, but you will be offered OTOs. So the first OTO is something called a fast pass. So what happens here is you purchase the product that you see on the sales page, and you're offered this. And what this will mean is that you can get a discount on all the different OTOs with this fast pass offer. You save $650 and you get all of them in one bundle here with this. So you get the Pro upgrade, which I'm going to show you in a second, the My Drive upgrade, the agency upgrade, and all the different fast action bonuses for a one-time price of $197. So that's that. Now, if you say no to that, if you say yes to that, you're done. If you say no to that, it will take you through the sales funnel. It will offer you the unlimited version, and then it will offer you the Drive version. It will offer you the let's see, the there's like, it looks like there's a light version. So if you say no to that, I think maybe they offer you some kind of a light version. So make sure that if you do go through the sales funnel that you say no to the unlimited. But they have like an agency version where you can like set up your agency to sell this, etc. But here's the thing, on my bonus page, you'll see a link here that says bundle discount. So if you click on that, it will take you over to this page where they'll offer you the entire sales funnel. So it gives you the front end offer and all the different OTOs for a one-time price. And there's even a discount code here. Again, I make less by pointing these out, so please hit that like button where you can get a $50 off discount. You can get everything for $297 for this. So it's up to you how you want to do that. You can buy the front end offer and go through the sales funnel, or you can get the bundle discount. It's up to you how you want to do this. Okay, so what do I like about Vocalic and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I mean, it is just simply a video creator and a voiceover tool. So if you've already got tools that do this, if you don't need this in your business, then maybe this isn't right for you. What do I like about this? This is a tool that is put out by guys that put out a lot of software. They maintain their software. If you're looking for a video creator and a voiceover software to make videos and different assets for your business that you can use for yourself or sell, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Vocalic, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.